guys, welcome back to another one. We already put everything back. In the last video, the engine, it was doing a misfire. Let me show you what it was doing. Basically, in this wire over here, it was broken, so that's why I had a misfire. And then in this wire over here, it was broken too. So that's another thing that was happening. And I got an oil leak, which is coming from the oil pan. I will be fixing that, but that will be when the car comes back. I mean, the thing is that I got a time frame for the welder, so I need to take the car like this, and then I will be fixing it. So I'm gonna start it now so you guys can hear it. As you guys can hear it, it doesn't got no misfire or nothing like that. Obviously, it got a muffler leak because it's open in the clamp over here. It also got no intercooler or nothing like that. So we're gonna be putting the car down, and we're gonna start heading down to the machine welder. I am still trying to get to the welder. It has been almost like an hour. If you see that strap right there, I have to hold the turbo up because the gear, it didn't want to go in because the turbo is leaning on the shifter. So that's one of the things that has to be fixed. And plus, you can drive the car with no intercooler and the turbo open and everything, but it's not boosting how it should be. Plus, I'm going pretty slow because I'm not got the bumper, and I don't want to mess up the tire guardrails, whatever it's called, or the covers for the tires. Plus, I got a kill switch in the battery, and that kill switch died on me too. Like it got, I guess, damaged or something like that. So that's another thing that it happened to. But I'm still going for it. Hopefully I can reach over there and leave the car over there and they can fix it. And then after that, I will be fixing all the little issues that the car has, because it has been driving me nuts. I will be showing a video when I arrive over there to the... Alright. Thank God that I made it. So that's the place right there. Hey guys, so it has been like 3 weeks already since we work or we upload anything from Black Beauty Avante. It's still on the welder. He's telling me that he's missing a couple pipes and stuff like that. So in the meantime, you guys saw I've been working in ambassador speed. Besides that one, this one is almost done. Besides that one, we're gonna start working with the Veloster Turbo. It's gonna be a series, and we're gonna be working with the Veloster ends, so I can fix the bumpers, and I can get the whole front from this one, from the red one to the black one. Besides that, stay tuned until I upload something from the Black Beauty Avante. I will let you guys know when I get the Lantra back, Black Beauty Avante. So for now, it's gonna be this project.